Hello, this is John with Alternative Health. How is everybody doing today? I wanted to touch base with you again and just talk about what's going on. Last week I mentioned to you about some things I really think everybody should be doing. That was the Vital, the antioxidant, double it up. The detox herb, purify and clean your blood. The daily, which is your natural vitamins and minerals, and your vitamin D. As a minimum, that's what we should be doing as far as supplementation goes. Of course, I mentioned detoxing. I'm still going to pound that in, but if you're not apt to do it now, take those supplements to make sure that you're keeping yourself as healthy as you can. What I really want to talk to you about today is the quarantine. You know, President Trump yesterday said we're going to be quarantined for till the end of April for the most part. Now, the problem is when we're quarantined, we're sitting around. We're not doing much. What do we really want to do when we sit around? Number one, we're bored. What do we do when we're bored? We want to eat. Number two, we're frustrated and or stressed. What happens when we're frustrated or stressed? For most of us, we want to eat. And when we eat, what do we normally eat? It's certainly not the bag of carrots or the celery, etc. It's something sweet to make us feel better and get that energy going. Now, I'm going to talk to you about something that's really near and dear to my heart and something I use all the time, and that is our instant meals. Ideally, you should be doing the instant meals for you and your family. Children love them. I had a call the other day, said my 4-year-old loves these instant meals, and that's fabulous. Why? Because they're loaded with probiotic. They are loaded with certain vitamins and minerals. They have digestive enzymes, high fiber, helps you go to the bathroom, low glycemic, you're not going to crave after you do it. So what I'm going to talk to you about is some fun and easy thing that you can do to utilize these wonderful things for your meals. Now, primarily I use them for dessert. Yesterday, sitting around all day, I did it 2 times. What do? Go to the store, buy plain yogurt. Just the plain, not the flavored, plain yogurt. Buy that. Put some in a bowl, I would say about a half a cup, and take a scoop of one of the flavors that you want to put in. Put that in and mix it really well. Mix it up so there's no powder left. And what I like to do is take the pure U.S. grade A or B maple syrup, drizzle it on it, mix that. Put it in the freezer, let it sit for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, and you have a wonderful dessert. It tastes like chocolate pudding. It tastes like ice cream if you leave it in long enough. But the family loves it. If you prepare it and it's so simple, you can actually make it up for dessert. You can freeze it and then take it out later on if you want to get a little bit softer, etc., much like you would ice cream. Now, we have 5 different flavors, okay? We have the ones that orange cream, okay? Tastes like a creamsicle for those of us who are a little bit older. Remember creamsicles? We have the strawberry, tastes just like real strawberries, but there's no fruit in it, so people that are battling candida don't have to worry. We have the vanilla, rich tasting vanilla. We have the chocolate. This is my favorite. I use chocolate almost all the time. Chocolate, and then we have mocha. Now, I will be honest with you and tell you I've tried 3 of the flavors. I've not done the strawberry or the orange cream with it, but I've done the mocha, and it is fabulous for those who like the coffee taste. I prefer the chocolate because I gave up coffee many years ago, so chocolate I hardly have ever given up. I have to battle myself, so I use a chocolate, and sometimes I'll take a scoop of chocolate, a scoop of vanilla, mix it with a cup of yogurt, and then I eat some. I'll have some later for a dessert or a snack. Low calorie. Don't have to worry about calories. Don't have to worry about preservatives because there's no sugar. There's nothing in it that's harmful. So all it will do is help you stay healthy. If we don't stay healthy during that time when we're quarantined, what's going to happen? Weight gain. Okay, obesity is already a problem. We're going to have things like pancreatic problems because of all the sugars that we're pumping in our body, all the carbs that we ingest. All that creates unhealthy atmosphere. And right now, because we're in quarantine, what are we saying? Let's stay healthy. So I'm trying to give you some ideas as way that you can be healthy. Now, the best point, anybody who orders these for the next 2 weeks until April 15th, if you order 2 of them at a time, I will mail them free of charge, no mailing, and I will give you a 10% discount off of whatever price you've been paying us. Because some of you that are going to hear this are on our maintenance plans, you are on our membership plans, so you already get some benefits there. But another 10%. So you don't have to come in if you're afraid to leave the house and to come in here. You can call. You can do anything, and Patty, Jenna, myself will take the orders. We'll get them out to you. You'll have them within a day or so. So really, take care of yourself. You know, still wash your hands, stay away from people, protect yourself, do all the things we've been told. But you know what? You can really enjoy and you can have it.